Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, and I'm here at Patriots Point at Charleston Harbor Marina on board a 40 Verve from Azimut Yachts. I'm going to make my way across the swim platform here. We have a large swim platform, easily walk across. Even with the motors trimmed up out of the water, I can still get from one side of the boat to the other. This is a boat that's powered by triple 350 Verados from Mercury. These are the inline six-cylinder supercharged motors that also have the joystick piloting system. This is a big open day boat from an iconic yacht builder. It's 42.7 length overall with a 12.9 beam. The fuel capacity is 475 gallons and the freshwater capacity is 66 gallons. This is a boat that can do top speeds of 41 knots and have a very comfortable cruising speed of 34 knots. As we come on board, we have the synthetic flooring throughout the boat, so it's very comfortable. We have a door that we can open and close to seal off the cockpit. Freshwater sprayer as we enter the cockpit, and we also have a auto flushing system for the 3 outboards. As we enter, you can see we have a very nice settee area. We have a synthetic marble insert with this teak table. And this teak table does raise and lower, and you can make this all one sun bed with cushions that we have stowed down below. This seat is on tracks, and beneath it are 2 compartments. This one, among other items, houses the Seakeeper 6 gyro stabilizer system. It takes about 95% of the boat's pitch and roll completely out of the equation. So for those that are more prone to motion sickness when running offshore, that's a very nice feature to have. On board we have a wine cooler and storage here. We have a wet bar sink, a trash receptacle, ice maker here, several cup holders, more cup holders further back in the cockpit. We have a Kenyan electric grill, or a freezer-fridge combo, more storage here, and L-shaped seating. Lots of LED lights and speakers built into the hardtop. We also have a powered sunshade that extends all the way aft. Back on the port side as we enter, we also have a dive door that we can deploy. Fusion Bluetooth stereo remote is here. Making our way towards the helm. Great visibility on this boat. You can see we have a single piece windshield. Check out the size and the hardware on that windshield wiper. Very oversized, very well built, all stainless. We have 3 seats here at the helm, 2 for my observers with adjustable armrests and bolsters that work independently of each other. This helm seat is powered to adjust. I've got a great line of sight when I'm seated. Very comfortable helm area. It feels like I'm driving a sports car. Well-appointed helm, nice wrapped steering wheel. My Seakeeper panel is here. I've got my digital throttle and shift system with the Mercuries. Trim tabs, bow thruster comes standard on the boat in addition to the boat's joystick. I've got twin large Raymarine screens in my Mercury vessel view. 8 air conditioning at the cockpit in addition to a nice ventilation hatch. I've got cup holders, active trim. All my rocker switches are over here to the right, and we have digital start and stops as well. Really nice helm area. Also have a step to assist getting up to one of the observer seats here on the port side. Before we go downstairs, let's make our way to the bow. Really high gunnels for safety. A lot of stanchions, which Azimut is known for throughout their bow rails. It's another element of quality they put into their boats. You can see we have this really large, expansive bow lounge area. We've got some cup holders, some stainless grab rails. This fabric is bat-aligned material. It is very resistant, very durable, but it's also very comfortable and soft to the touch. We have another seat here, opposing seat with storage beneath when these cushions pull out. And you can also drop this backrest down And I have a nice little lounge area. You can see we have another bow table here that's mounted. A lot of real estate to maneuver up here at the windlass. Windlass anchor is remote controlled. And this lid comes up as well. But just a really nice social area. Plenty of standing room, certainly plenty of seating. Good place to have a cocktail or do some alfresco dining. There's a nice look at the boat facing aft. Of course, we have radar on board. Let's make our way back down. We'll check out the inside. So down here in the cabin of the 40 Verve, we've got our galley to the port side. We have a 2-burner cooktop, solid surface countertop, nice deep stainless sink. We have a refrigerator and a trash receptacle beneath the sink. Samsung 3-in-1 microwave convection oven. We've got the head area, nice teak floor, sink, mirror, and pull-out shower wand. On the starboard side, we have our second bed, which we currently have made up to form the bed. So this is obviously where your dinette would be otherwise. This table raises and adjusts manually, and then you have the filler cushion that goes on top of the table, so you can actually sleep 2 couples on this boat very comfortably. We've got storage just above the bed with some hull side windows, and then forward is the master cabin. Got a large berth with storage to the starboard side, an overhead lighting with reading lights, and further forward is a hatch to allow for some natural light. And now we'll make our way back upstairs. That's a look at Azimut's 40 Verve. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. Give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out at marinemax.com. Thank you.